When printing an Excel document, we always wonder why it is too small for the size of the paper. Fix it. So, for today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it. First, go to View tab. Then, under View tab, click Page Break Preview. Then, drag the blue line up to the end of the document. After that, you will see the big difference. It's now ready to print.